Today we are doing a DIY video. That is so weird for me to say. I have not uploaded like a legit DIY video on this channel in like 2 years. It's been a minute, but today we are going back to my roots and I'm taking you on a DIY journey. I've basically had these clothes in my closet forever, and for one reason or another, I'm not wearing them anymore. So I have a different reason of why I want to DIY each thing. I just have a lot of random things in here that I've had a lot of ideas of what I want to do to them. So I figured, why not film it? Because, you know, I'm a YouTuber and stuff. I forgot to mention I'm having a giveaway on my channel right now. I'm giving away a Kanken backpack and a hydro flask, so if you guys want to win those, it's really simple to enter. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and also be subscribed to my new channel that I just launched, Extra Brianna Renee. And yeah, as long as you're subscribed to both those channels, you are entered. But if you would like a bonus entry, you can also follow me on Instagram at Brianna Renee. Welcome to my first DIY setup. We're actually going to be DIYing in bulk right now. I have a bunch of white shirts that I want to dye a bunch of different colors. Basically, I've just had these in my wardrobe and I'm kind of bored of them. I also have an insane amount of white shirts for no reason. So the first shirt I am DIYing is this one. It's a crop top and it has like lace up on the side. It's really cute. However, I am a human who sometimes, on rare occasions, sweats. And it may have left a little bit of color. I'm sorry, it's gross, I know, but it's the truth. The next shirt that we are DIYing is this one. It's kind of like a fishnet white top kind of thing. I've loved this top for a long time. I've worn it a lot. I've had it in my wardrobe for like 3 years or something. So today we're gonna play around with it. I think I'm gonna do this one blue. I think that'll be cute. This shirt is originally from Urban Outfitters. I've had it for like 5 years though. It's definitely had its time in my closet. It's time to do something fun and new with it. So I'm kind of feeling orange for this. This next shirt is from Forever 21 and I actually think this is still really cute the way it is, but I thought it would look even better like a nice lime green color, so we're gonna play around and see if we can do that. The final top I am doing is just like this long sleeve crop top. It's really simple, but I thought it would look cuter pink, so we're gonna try that. Do I look cute? I can't see myself. I don't have a viewfinder. Okay, time to get down to business. We're gonna start with orange because, I don't know, I've been really digging orange lately and it's in my hand, so why not start with it? I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just like pouring it in there. Is that what I'm supposed to do? We do not read instructions, we wing it. So I know I wanna do this shirt orange, so I'm going to put that in there. Oh no, wait, what do I do? It's not going in. Okay, I'm going to use a makeup brush to poke it in. I am so professional. Next, we are making our teal concoction. So I have these two colors that I'm gonna mix together for my perfect color. And I'm going to dye 2 shirts with this, I think. Okay, I think that's good for that color. Okay, I was definitely generous with that. Now we're gonna stick in this shirt, which I'm really hoping actually absorbs the color. Ooh, that's so pretty. I also decided I'm going to throw this shirt in there as well. Okay, that's actually not really the color I was going for. Moving on to pink, I'm just going to dump this. Okay, wait, that looks orange. What is happening here? Please be a pretty color. Moving on to the green, this is one I'm a little bit nervous about. I decided to save money. Weird for me, I know. But I have these 2 things, which is like a green dye. I just don't know if it's enough. So I'm hoping it actually works. If not, I might have to throw in a little bit of this, but that's not really the color I'm going for. I want like a lime green. So hopefully this is strong enough. I'm really winging it here today. Okay, that straight up looks yellow. Oh, okay, no, it's green. It tricked me. I think I got some in my mouth and it's actually like really salty. Oh, I feel like I need to stop eating that, but whoa, that kind of tasted good. I'm probably fine. Okay, this is actually turning out better than expected. I did not expect this color to be so powerful, but this looks perfect. Oh my god, I love that color. Okay, I did good. DIYing are these shorts. I don't really have an exact plan. I know I want to put flowers on the butt pockets, but that's pretty much all I got. So I'm kind of gonna wing it. I have a bunch of different paint colors here and we're just gonna see what happens. piece is done. I honestly have really questionable painting skills, so I didn't know how this was gonna turn out, but I discovered I'm pretty much Picasso. I'm thinking about adding some flowers in the front as well once it dries, but I haven't decided yet. I've decided I want to DIY are these pair of jeans, which are from Topshop. They're just like pretty simple, like dark distressed jeans. There are one problem with these, which is this hole in the back. It started off as like a little hole, but you know, I guess your girl's a little thick and I just busted out of it. So I'm gonna have to fix that hole, but I'm also bleaching one half of the jeans. I'm very excited about this. I have some bleach, which I'm hoping works because I know it has to be like a certain kind of bleach. I think this is it. Okay, I actually don't know if that's enough bleach. All right, we're gonna try this anyways. So I have some gloves here, which are going to keep me safe. And I'm going to stick this half of the jeans into the bleach. So I'm just gonna slowly submerge this into the bleach. So far, nothing's happening. Please tell me I got the right bleach. I have no idea if this is right or not, so I'm gonna leave it for like 10 minutes and see if anything happens. If nothing happens, then that means I messed up. Update, it has been like 20 minutes and I can tell that the bleach actually is working. It was just taking a little bit longer, but it's working. Jeans probably looked fine in the clips you guys just saw, but I completely ruined these. I don't know if you can tell, but if I were to wear them, it would 100% look like I peed myself. And that's just not the look I was going for. The other problem with these is that the thread on the leg went all brown. I didn't expect that to happen, but this looks really disgusting. So this was a pair of like $80 jeans that are now worth like $0. Look at that. Why did that happen? That's so gross looking. It's all the way up. This next DIY is probably going to be my favorite because not only is it the easiest, it's also what I think is going to be the cutest. I got these patches from Amazon that I'm obsessed with. It's just a bunch of butterflies. And I'm gonna place them on the jacket, iron them on, and then hopefully get a really cute Instagram picture in it. This is actually going to be so freaking cute. Okay, I think this placement is good for the front, so I'm going to take this little bit of fabric, lay it on top of the patches, and iron them on one by one. Okay, so this is my jean jacket. It's kind of tacky, but I kind of don't care. I'm obsessed with it anyways. Day, and I've decided to move my DIY station over to the bed because honestly I just didn't want to sit on the floor anymore. This is much more comfortable. So we are going to be DIYing these Adidas sneakers, which I'm just kind of bored of them. I want to do something fun with them, so I thought that I would take some pink and paint on all the black parts, and I also got some new laces because those are looking nasty. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. So this paint is like meant for vinyl and leather, so this is like perfect for my sneakers. It's been a few hours, I've let my sneakers dry, and I think they look so cute. I honestly wasn't sure if they were gonna look that good. It was kind of like an idea that I was like, we'll see how it goes, but I think it went really well. And now the last thing I need to do is just add in the laces. Accidentally picked up kids' shoelaces or something because these are really freaking short, but they'll still work and I'm still excited about them. And those are all the DIYs I have for you guys today. Thank you for coming on this DIY journey with me. I kind of enjoyed it and I'm kind of down to do more if you guys want me to. That's so weird because I haven't done DIYs in literally like 2 years. Also, if you're not subscribed to my brand new channel, Extra Brianna Renee, make sure you do so because I'm going to be posting on there twice a week. And if you're subscribed to both channels, you can be entered into the giveaway. Remember, I'm giving away a hydro flask and a Kanken backpack. So if you want those, just subscribe to both channels. And if you would like a bonus entry, you can follow me on Instagram at Brianna Renee. And with all that being said, I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Bye!